Hey everyone, Jeff here. Welcome back to Imagination Tech. So today I have here the TBS Fusion module, and this is the version 2. So a couple of months ago, Team Black Sheep released the TBS Fusion module, the version 1, but due to shipping delays amid the COVID pandemic, there were some delays, and a lot of you either have already gotten this or are just waiting for it in the mail. But still, I think plenty of you still haven't, are still on the fence about getting the TBS Fusion module. So today we are going to be taking a look at the TBS Fusion module. This is going to be just our first impressions of it, not a detailed review. But yeah, we're going to test out this Fusion module. I'm going to show you how to put it on your goggles, how to install it on your goggles, and we are also going to have some of our buddies try out the TBS Fusion module and see how it compares to the Rapid Fire. All right, so stay tuned. So I just got the TBS Fusion video module, and this is already the version 2 of the TBS Fusion module. There has been a lot of reviews of the TBS Fusion, especially when it first came out with the V1. But yeah, today I'm going to be taking a look at this new one, because I'm still rocking a Fatshark Dominator V3 with a 2D V3 module, and this has the 3.7 firmware on it. So this is really old technology. And while it works, it's a diversity module. I'm really hoping to improve the quality of the image that I'm getting with this setup. So the goggles itself is still pretty good, and whatever it displays, it's really dependent on what it is able to receive. And I'm hoping with TBS Fusion's frame fusion magic that it's doing with its diversity, I'm really hoping to really drastically improve the image quality that I'm getting. So just a quick unboxing of this thing. It comes with a power module. Unless you're using an HDO, this thing is going to suck up a lot of amps, a lot of power, so it needs 2S. If you do have an HDO, and if you're planning to use the future Wi-Fi update or whatever, you're still going to need that power mod. So not sure if you can see that. This allows you to to hook up additional power to your module from within the directly from the battery of your Fatshark goggles. It has a 90-degree SMA connector. Of course, it comes with a cover, and it comes with 2 ribbon cables for I guess if you have 2 different goggles, at least you have an extra one. So here's the module, and you can see that this is the version 2. There are some differences, and you will find that on the TBS website. The silk screen, the printing on this is a bit different. It has the big letter B. So this is the version 2 module, and I got this locally from PinoyFPV, but you can also get it from several major international retailers, like directly from Team Black Sheep website, from Get FPV, Hell Nation, you name it. Nothing much to say about this. That's what it comes with. This is a very simple unboxing. Right now I'm going to have to mod the Dominator V3 with this power module. Wayne Hall already created a really nice tutorial video on how to install the power mod, but basically we need to punch a hole here, and then pass the ribbon cable all the way here, and then our power adapter is going to sit somewhere around this area with the ribbon cable going all the way here. And yeah, that's basically what we're gonna do. Hey everyone, so I'm here today somewhere in Pasay, and we are going to be trying out the TBS Fusion in this relatively challenging spot. And I have some of my buddies here. Headmazta FPV is one of them, Wrongh, somewhere there. And I'm gonna ask for their impressions of the TBS Fusion module and see how it compares to the rapid fire. Musta so far?
Okay naman, malinaw siya.
Saan banda? Sa may likod ng crane?
Sa may crane. Pero parang normal naman yun kasi may idle meron din dito.
Malalaking bakal eh, no? Ano yung behind the crane ba yun? Or hindi? Sa harap lang?
Hindi, sa taas. Taas siya. Pagdating dun sa may mga crane, medyo nagaan siya.
Gugo na gaano?
Parang may interference na ano.
Oo.
Hindi naman siya lines, walang lines, malinis naman. Pero parang nagwe-wave yung ano.
Okay.
Yung signal. Ang linaw.
Kumusta yung break up?
Malinis.
Malinis.
Malinis, so makitang-kita lahat ng ano eh. Obstacle eh, oh.
Anong tingin mo sa price niya at around 6,000 pesos kay Pinoy FPV?
Panalo na.
Pwede na.
Pwede na.
Ano ba?
Kita. Kita?
Wala kang beeper? Ay, nakikita ka na.
Gas-gas ka.
Musta ang impression compared sa rapid fire?
Ano? Okay naman. Magkano ba yan?
119, 120.
Tapos yung rapid fire, magkano ba?
Sa 160, 140. Depende kung may promo or
So
discount.
mas mura yung ano? Yung
Mura ng konti. Very slight. As a long time rapid fire user, anong masasabi mo?
Parang same lang sila ng performance eh. Oh, parang wala, hindi magkalayo. Pero kung mas mura siya, mas maganda. Uy! Vlog ako dito, bumura sa background. Ayun, kanina parang nag-flicker.
Saan ka ba? Sa likod ng crane or sa ibabaw lang?
Sa taas eh.
Hindi ka pumunta sa likod?
Hindi ako pumunta sa likod. Yun lang naman yung nakita kong problem kanina. Aside from that, okay naman lahat.
Alright. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the TBS Fusion with my old True V3, and the noise is pretty much expected with this 25 milliwatt VTX with a dipole antenna on my Tiny Hawk S. But as I go around the construction machine, the noise becomes very, pretty unflyable. But it's still pretty clear with the TBS Fusion. And there you have it. That is my first impression of the TBS Fusion module. And I really think it looks great. The reception was really clear, even with all of the metal in the surroundings. And especially for me, coming from a Furious FPV through D module, this was a really big step in the clarity of the reception that I'm getting in my goggles. But even when I had a Headmazta try it out and compare it with his own rapid fire module, it goes head to head. It's right there, but it's a little bit cheaper than if you got a rapid fire module. But I would like to know what you guys think. Do you think this is a great buy, or maybe you're still going to go for rapid fire? Let me know what you think in the comments, and I would love to hear from you guys. Right, so that is going to be it for this first impression. There are still a ton of menus that I haven't figured out yet with this TBS Fusion module. So maybe we'll do a video about that next time. Also, let me know if you want something like that. We can go into detail about the different menus and functions of this TBS Fusion module. All right, so I'm going to leave you with that. As always, keep building and keep flying.